let's discover the letters of the alphabet together. Take a look at letter G. G is for goose. G is for game. G is for gift. Gift. G is for goat. G is for girl. G is for gate. Gate. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Won't you come and sing along? G is for goose. G is for game. G is for gift. Gift. G is for goat. G is for girl. G is for gate. Gate. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Learning the alphabet is fun. Let's learn each letter one by one. G says ga. G says ga. Yes, G says ga. Ga. G is for gold. G is for gas. G is for goal. Goal. G is for golf. G is for garden. G is for gum. Gum. Great job learning about the letter G. Can you think of more words that begin with the letter G? I know you can.
If you like this video, click the bell and find out when our next video is available. Subscribe here or click over here and check out this video.